So these are the 3 different crests of the Hong Kong Fire Brigade. Absolutely glorious, beautiful, gorgeous crest. And it dates from 1868 till 1997. So there are 2 different changes, but I still prefer the first one. Dig those axes, they're fantastic, absolutely gorgeous. Now, you thought that was exciting, wait till you see this. This is every schoolboy's dream. I don't know about you guys, but in 1979, I think it was, maybe 1980, I got for my birthday the Dennis fire engine by Airfix. I believe, to the best of my knowledge, it was 1/32nd scale. It was a big kit, and it cost me, well, it cost my mother £5, I think, at the time. And it was a toss-up between this and the DC3 by Airfix in 1/32nd scale, but it was actually I think it's called the AC-47. It was the Vietnam version where they had the miniguns stuck in the portholes of the plane. But I do digress here. This is just making me drool. This is the classic Dennis, the Dennis fire engine. When you think fire engines, you think Dennis, and this is just such a beauty. I think there's only three of them. Certainly in Hong Kong, there's 3 left. I did read about it, and this probably is the best preserved one. Here's the fireman's pole. You have to show that. Fireman's pole. I presume it's the original pole. There it is. That has seen many tragedies and disasters. And there is the Dennis from behind. Beautiful. Look at the workmanship. Absolutely gorgeous. What a gorgeous machine. Fire engine red, huh? Doesn't get fire engineer than this. Perfection. There you go. There's the insides. Look at that. Fantastic. I remember making that little clutchy thing and it kept falling off. They were a bitch to do. I do remember that much. Yeah, that brings back memories. My God, it's gorgeous. Look at that. So this is a 1940s machine. I presume the Japanese would have commandeered it at some stage. They obviously kept it on, they didn't destroy it. Beautiful. There we are. Absolutely gorgeous. Stunning. I wonder, is that the original? Couldn't be. Maybe it is.